Well, Harry, between the football and the rain, there was a really chaotic nature about that game tonight, but a hard-fought 3 points.
Yeah, it was. See, the weather wasn't ideal, but we had to deal with it, just like we had to deal with the change of venue and the drive here. The gaffer was massive on no excuses, and I think we showed that at the start we had. We couldn't have wished for better. And then after that, like I said, as the conditions got worse, it became more of a fight. But I thought we stood up, we rolled up our sleeves. When they get the goal, we could have easily gone under, but we stuck together and we ground out the win.
Yeah, talk us through that start. 2 goals in 2.5 minutes, I think it was. Talk us through your goal in particular.
Yeah, we wanted a fast start. We spoke about that. We didn't realise just how fast it was going to be. But I think the first goal, we wanted to start on the front foot. When we got the kick-off, we wanted to get it in their half, put them under pressure, try and keep the ball in there. And I think it was just about keeping it alive. A couple of ricochets, and then it fell to Keith, and it was a great finish. And then, yeah, from mine, I think I just backed up the play. I think Neek's done well to get it back to me, and yeah, I just saw an opportunity to shoot, and I thought in these conditions, if I can get it on target, keeper might spill it, we might get a tap in, but thankfully I caught it sweet, and yeah, it was nice to see it go in.
Like you said, a flying start, but then it turned into a very different game then, a really interesting game. Craig spoke beforehand about the risk of it turning into a transitional game. How pleased are you, or how do you feel that you dealt with their threats?
Yeah, I think the pitch really evened the game up. I think especially as I said, as the rain came down, as the second half went on. I'm not sure if you could see on the TV or not, but there was puddles in the pitch, and the footing was really hard. The ball wasn't really bouncing. So yeah, you're right. It became a bit of a transition game, a bit more of a fight than what we would have liked. But yeah, that's a different type of game. We showed that we can do both. We showed the other night that we can go up against a really good team and play well. And tonight we showed that we can come to a difficult place, battle for the win, and get the three points, which is what we wanted.
Yeah, a win under really difficult conditions. 4 points overall to kick off this campaign. How pleased are you with that?
Yeah, really pleased. As I said, I think they've been two different games. To get a point against a team that got to the quarterfinals of the Euros 3 months ago that was pleasing. On another night, I think we could have won that game with the chances we had and the domination we showed at times. But then, yeah, tonight was really important about getting the three points, because we felt this camp, the work we've put in, I think that's what we deserved.
Harry, diolch yn fawr.
Thank you.